We are in Gowington today to show you this very convenient 2 double bedroom first floor apartment. Situated just a 10-minute walk from Musgrove Park Hospital, it also benefits from a garage, street parking and a balcony for a little bit of outdoor space. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you like the look of this property and you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if you're a landlord with your own rental property and you'd like an up-to-date rental valuation, please get in touch.